Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to your another reading. Without wasting any time, let's just get right into it today. The very first card that I saw was money problems. Air sign as being significant. That's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. We have lack boundaries. So somebody in a situation lacks a lot of boundaries. Can be an air sign, or you could be an air sign, could be dealing with an air sign. Take it how that resonates. This can be a family member, your friend, your anybody. Take it how that resonates. Let's get some more clarity. Okay. We have bankrupt, money problems, and then bankrupt coming out. So somebody could be facing, you could lack boundaries when it comes to spending your money. This is coming up very strongly. We have ego getting in way of giving money. Okay, somebody could be spending a lot of money just because they are wanting to get validation from the people, because it's if they don't compete with the people around them financially, and if they don't show people that they have money, it's gonna hurt their ego, and they might feel like people will not be interested in them if they don't show people that they also have money. Okay, so somebody here lacks boundaries when it comes to their spending habits. Somebody is overspending, somebody is spending a lot of money just because they want to show people or get validation of people, or they just want to compete with people. So something about spending more than their, like, if you don't earn a lot of money but you're spending more than you're earning, it is a sign of a bad financial decisions. Let's get some more clarity into this. I think you should really practice self-acceptance when it comes to your financial situations. Something about the loans. 5 of Fires in reverse. Or there is a divorce into a picture, like you have to give the money to the other person, or you're expecting money. Something about exchange of money is coming out, because somebody wants to use money to resolve an issue, to end a discussion, to end some sort of confirmation, some sort of discussion or fight. King of Waters, 3 of Airs. Somebody is really hurt into this situation. Tower in reverse, and somebody is refusing to change. Oh my god, I get it very clearly. Queen of Airs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius coming out again. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have Scorpio coming out. We have Aries, Leo, Sag. I'm not able to pick up on this energy. Something about the money is coming in. Somebody wants to end a fight because they are done, because they are hurt, and they just want to give money and be like, shut up now, I can't deal with you anymore. Family situations, this can involve a family situation. Somebody's scared that people are going to ask for money, buying an apartment and home together. Something about a home loan, family loan. You are scared that people are going to talk about you, so that's why you're like, take my money and shut up. Or you are scared that what if I don't do this, something related to money, then people are going to talk about me. So somebody is scared that people are going to talk about them because of their financial decisions. This can be good or bad. Take it how that resonates on your situation. But what is the advice coming up then? What is the advice? What should be my collective doing in this situation? Let me take another deck. Let's take this one only. What is the advice coming up? What should the collective be doing right now then? Queen of Cups. Take decision from heart and not your mind. Use your emotions more than logic. Think about the situation. Take your time, take your time, take your time as much as you need. Think about it, but always do what your heart says, not your mind. So use your heart when it comes to this decision. Eight of Cups, and walk away. Walk away from people, walk away from gossips, walk away from the noise, walk away from everything which is not serving you and your decisions. I'll show you something. See how this person is sleeping and everybody is outside the window. How this person is sleeping and everybody is outside the window, which talks about you cutting off the noise of the people and environment and circumstances and just walking away. So you're advised here to walk away from the noise, walk away from triple fire, as I said, that walk away from people, walk away from unnecessary drama, walk away from what people are going to say, what people are going to think, and only do what you feel is right for yourself. Only do what you feel is right for your heart. I don't know why I heard gut. So only do what you feel is right for your gut. Only do what is right for your gut feeling, maybe your heart. Take decisions based off what you want and not what other people are expecting from your side. So take decisions based off what you want to do in life and walk away from unnecessary drama, walk away from people's opinions, walk away from what people has to say, walk away from unnecessary drama, because people are not going to, people doesn't matter, honestly. Do what's right for you. Do what's right for you. You might be very conscious about what people are going to think, and do what's right for you. Take decision based off what you want to do in life and not what people. Yeah, Six of Cups. Six of Cups talks about innocence. Six of Cups talks about your inner child. So take decisions based. King of Cups. King of Cups is coming out. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. This can also Five of Pentacles. All right, now I get it. Three of Cups at the bottom. Okay, and the Eight of Cups. This can also involve a love situation where you're really worried about what the other person is going to think about your financial situation. Am I good enough? Am I good enough for her? Am I good enough for him? Is she going to accept my financial situation? So somebody here is really scared of whether the other person is going to accept me for who I am, whether the other person is going to accept my financial situation. Somebody is scared that, am I going to be enough for her? Am I going to be enough for him? Does she like me for the person that I am? And you're advised here to just do whatever you want. If you want to reunite or reconnect with somebody, just go for it. Just go for it. Because you're not doing right without them. You're not doing right without them. And two of you are like, both of you are meant to be together. King of Cups is coming out twice. We also had the Queen of Cups coming out. This really does involve, like, this is your soulmate, because King and Queen of the same cups. This is your soulmate. We had the Eight of Cups and the Queen of Cups and King of Cups. You guys are each other's soulmates. Literally, you guys are each other's soulmates. So I don't think you should be doubting yourself. Let me see what is holding you back. I think money is holding you back. You're very scared that, does that person even like me if I am not good enough financially? Is she going to accept me? I think it's not even the issue, being very honest. It's all in your head. Let me get some clarity and see what is happening. I think ego problems, because I pulled out like the ego card. Your ego might get hurt, or you're scared of getting hurt, because what if that person doesn't accept me? What if this happens? What if that happens? And all that, What is stopping this unexpected outcome? Things did not go my way. Things did not go how I planned. So you're scared of things not going. Ego is coming out twice. What is this reading? What is this? Ego is coming out literally twice in your reading. So this is just your ego. Your ego, and I'll tell you what ego is. Ego is not arrogance. Ego is not attitude. Ego means the protection that our mind uses in order to protect us from the hurt. People has portrayed ego in a very negative sense today, because ego, what people think ego is not that. Ego is just recognition of self. Ego is recognition. I have two hands, I have two eyes, I have a mouth, I have a nose. That is my ego for me. Ego is knowing who you are. Ego is not arrogance. This is just your ego trying to protect you. And ego is definitely not pride. I don't know why people portray that way, but I let my pride get in the way of two of us. Irreplaceable is coming out, and unfinished business. Even if you try to move on from this person, self love and values, you will not be, because you feel like this person is irreplaceable, or that other person feels like self love. You need to practice self love. You guys are just scared that what if things don't go my way and all that, but I feel like, what will be the outcome? What will be the outcome? We both are getting hurt. You will just be hurting yourself if you don't operate from your heart. Take decisions based off your heart. Even if you feel like this person, like you're not good enough for this person, it's not really the truth. What will happen if you go and take decisions based off your heart? What will happen if they make the decision from their heart and not mind? Engagement. Give your relationship a chance. We have engagement and we have heart-to-heart conversation. Oh my goodness. You guys will be having a heart-to-heart conversation with this person, which can lead to higher level of commitments into your relationship. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Work on your partnership. Give this relationship. It is safe for you to love. You're not going to get hurt, guys. You're not going to get hurt. 1144, as I said that. Wedding. Engagement. Let go of control issues. This is your problem, honestly. You just want to control everything. You want to control the outcome. You want to control other person's reactions. You want to control this. You want to control that. Like the card also spoke about the same thing. What if things don't go? Reconciliation. What if things don't go my way? What if this happens? What if that happens? What if something happens which I'm not already prepared for? So you guys want to literally control every single thing. You need to let go of your control issues, because you cannot control anything. You cannot control everything. You cannot control other people's opinions. For a while, you just have to go with the flow and see what life has to offer, because you never know if you're just planning for this much and the universe has a plan of giving you this much. So just go with the flow. Make decision based off your heart center. Do what you want, and just maybe be little playful, little flirt, and it's gonna make a good outcome, a very good outcome out of this whole situation. If you take decisions based off your heart, everything will go your way, is what I feel, right? So yeah, I think that's all that I have for you guys today. For personal readings, you can DM me on Instagram. You can subscribe to my other channels. The link for everything is in the description box below. And I'm sending you so much love and light. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.